In this tutorial, I'll show you how to safely disable Windows Defender in Windows 2025. This method avoids registry edits or risky hacks, and it won't cause permanent security issues. You'll still stay in full control. Start by right-clicking on the Start menu and selecting Settings. On the left side, click on Privacy and Security. The first option you'll see is Windows Security. Go ahead and open it. Now click on Open Windows Security. Here you'll see your protection status with a green check mark if everything is active. Select Virus and Threat Protection. Inside, scroll down to Virus and Threat Protection Settings and click Manage Settings. At the top, you'll find Real-Time Protection. By default, this is turned on to stop malware from installing or running. To disable it, simply toggle it off. A prompt will appear asking for confirmation. Click Yes. Windows Defender will now be turned off temporarily. Keep in mind it will automatically re-enable after some time, or you can manually turn it back on whenever you want. To do that, return to the same menu and toggle Real-Time Protection back on. And that's it. A simple and safe way to disable or re-enable Windows Defender on your computer. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.